Hello, dear friends. This is Frank Lee from HIENCE company. In order to meet the request for alloy wheel surface repair, we developed the new vertical wheel repairless machine, DCM32P. It adopts many user-friendly designs, so the machine is very easy to learn and operate, and can realize perfect diamond cutting effect on damaged wheels. I will show you the details of the machine. First, you can see that the overall design is small, but can also be guaranteed to repair a large wheel size up to 30 inch. If your wheel repair shop has space requirements, it will be your better choice. The PC system is developed by ourselves. All operations can be done on PC controller, and there is no complex buttons. User can be better understand how to use it. Before detection, you only need to set starting point and ending point, and a few simple parameters. This is our high-precision Ruby detection system. The probe has high precision to copy the original curve of the wheels perfectly. Automatic tool changer is highlight. The user doesn't need to change tool by hand, and also reduce the user's worry about the lock position of tool change. The precision and efficiency are greatly improved. Do you agree that the diamond cutting wheel repair machine is an artist? After diamond cutting, the surface of the wheel will be very smooth and perfect. And you can adjust the spindle speed and feed speed of the cutter to realize different wheel repair effect. Automatic and better products are always the user's choice and pursuit. We also know this as the specialist of the wheel repair machine. So we also work in the pursuit of more effective products on the road. Thank you.